Today, I'll show you how to play 3 easy songs on the guitar. So let's jump straight in. And remember to listen carefully. And also, you can pause and rewatch the video as often as you like. Okay children, so today I'm going to be plucking the strings using a guitar pick, but it's also okay to use your thumb. And remember, we push the strings down using our fingertip. And all the notes in these 3 songs are on string 1, which is this one here, right at the bottom. And also remember, these are the frets. And the numbers at the bottom of the screen are the fret numbers, and it's just going to make it easier for you to follow along with me. So let's jump straight in. And the first song you're going to learn today is Hot Cross Buns. How exciting! So let's jump straight in. If you are having fun today, consider subscribing to the channel and liking this video so that I can make more videos for you in the future, just like this one. Okay, I just want to jump in really quick here people, and I hope you're enjoying today's tutorial. This is my brand new children's book called Guitar Start in 30 Days for kids who are just starting out learning to play the guitar, and it's a 30-day challenge, and it also comes with a completion certificate. You can find the link to this book in the description, or you can simply type in davidguitarcoach.co.uk to get your copy now. And this book comes with a online course, a free online course bonus for the next 7 days only. So be quick to go and grab your copy, and you can be led by me in this online guitar course. And I look forward to seeing you there. I'd really like to congratulate you on making it to the end of this video. And you've made me so proud that you've got here and tried your best. And I really appreciate that. It's making it to the end of these videos that's going to make you a guitar star. So please keep trying your best, check out some more videos, and let me be your teacher. And I look forward to seeing you in future videos. And have a wonderful day. I'm David, and I shall see you soon.